Yeah, I'm going to show you how to add new stock. So you go to come to inventory. So you can see item stock. So these are the stocks you have now. So if you want to add a new one, just click on new stock. So if you have multiple branches, if you want to apply the stock to all the branches, click on this and select the category. So I call this agrochemicals. If you want to add another category, just click on this. So you add the category code, the category name, so the inventory type, whether it is finished goods, raw material, service, work in progress, select it. Then very importantly, all of this, you have to select the appropriate account because these are the information the system used to do the accounting entries. So the inventory account, you select the inventory account, the cost of sales, where you want your cost of sales to be recording. If you do stock adjustment, where you want it to record. If you do internal stock issue, like maybe you give out products out as a promotional or as a testing, so where you want the expenses account to record. So this GRN clearance, this is default, this is okay. Then purchase price variance, I think this is basically for production. So once you set up this, you save your category. So anytime you do anything that has to do with this category, this accounting entry is what the system will be doing to do. We'll be using this information. So what the system will be using to do your accounts. So that is that. So you select the inventory category, put your stock code, very important. Then physical goods by default, then you put your product name here, description if there is anything like that. So then you come to tracking. So do you want to track the inventory years? Do you want to track the serial number? Do you want to track the expiring dates? Costing. What is your method of costing? FIFO, LIFO, weighted average is the ideal. Then you put your unit of measurement, whether kilometer, kilogram, pieces, and whatever. So you put that. So all these asterisk column are important. So inventory, so physical risk, put the weight. So the product hazardous, you need to put it there. So hazardous class. So once all of that, you have filled all of that. So this create item will be active once there is no red. Yeah, so you create, you click on this, then your product will be created. Then to add customer and supplier, come to administration. So under receivable and payable, you come to customer management to add customer. So you see these are all the customers that you have here. So you click on new customer, click on new customer. If you want to add the customer to all the branches you have, you put the customer name, customer code is auto generated, individual, corporate, government, you put it, email address compulsory, then all of this account receivable, you make sure it's account receivable, trade debtors. Then you have this one is not necessary. Enable customer portal, no, customer status is active. So once you do that, come to delivery, select the warehouse where you want the customer to be picking goods. Select this, financial of this, they are not necessary. These are the most important, this asterisk and all the asterisk uh, information, those are the compulsory ones. So you have to pay attention to that. Once you are done, you click on create customer and your customer will be added. Then still on administration, so still on administration, if you want to add your supplier, so you click on supplier management from administration to suppliers management. So these are the suppliers that you have. You can see this is what you have bought, a new supplier. So yeah, you have you want to apply to all the branches. Suppliers type, individual, corporate, you put the name. This one is auto-generated. Then put the email, and you select the currency of the supplier, Naira. Of this account payable, accounts payable, accounts. Select account payable accounts. Very important. And so once you are done with that, so because all of these are still in red, all of these required field, so make sure you fill all the required fields. So if they are all filled, that red will disappear. They are all filled. They will suppliers type, everybody. You can see once the red disappears, this is active. Then create record. So these are how to do your stock, customer, and supplier. I hope the video helps.